Let's edit your photo. In Photo Studio app, go to the filters. Choose the filter D23_14 from the filter collection DUO. Set up a filter. Save your photo. Now let's start editing the second photo. Go to the filters. Choose the filter D23_10 from the filter collection DUO. Set up a filter. Go to the blend. Select the first saved photo. Adjust the photo size. Adjust the opacity. Go to Settings to select Blending Mode. Select the ADD mode. Now add your text. Select the text font. Adjust the text size. Select the text color. Choose it from the gradient collection. Now add a border to the text. Adjust its fill and thickness. Also add glow to the text. Choose its color and size. Add a shadow to text. Go to Effects. Add an effect from the Unicorns collection. Apply mask in Effect Settings. Finally, add one more effect. Choose it from the collection of Matrix Effects. Apply mask in Effect Settings. Save the result and share it with your friends.